Hey guys, JT here with a quick video. You guys know my Granite 4x4. I've turned it brushless, and since I've done that, the car does go a lot faster, of course. And when I run 3S, I have a tendency, of course, with this to flip back and kind of turn my bodies up. So I went ahead and I purchased the wheelie bar. You guys can see the part number right there. I also try to remember to put this in the description, but it's basically a direct fit on there. You'll get the wheelie bar in there, and it is adjustable a little bit. I got to figure out how this thing works, but I know it's just those 4 screws. They kind of go on there, and then it installs directly back on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this on real quick and then show you guys what this looks like being on here. Alright guys, so here it is with the wheelie bar completely installed on there. You guys do see that it is adjustable, but what you'll have to do, if I can get this to be a little bit steady, to adjust this, you guys can see that there's a screw right there. You'll have to unscrew this, and then of course that'll allow you to adjust to at least 2 more positions. It's 1 position there and 1 position there. This comes with the adjustment there in the middle, but this will actually help when I'm accelerating to keep my car from flipping back. I don't believe this has ball bearings in it. I don't think it does. I can't really tell right off the bat looking at this, but this will be fine. I think I may at some point upgrade these like I did for some of my other wheelie bars and put some of the foam tires on here from like airplanes and stuff, because that helps when you're doing wheelies to absorb some of that impact and give you more of a steady wheelie and stuff like that. But I put this more or less on to keep my truck from doing backflips when I'm running with it. So with the body on, it's gonna, if I can get this on here somewhat real quick. So with the body on, it's going to look similar to that. I know I'm kind of doing this out here because I'm getting actually to run my cars and do some test runs and stuff, but I figured while I was out here I'd go ahead and put this wheelie bar on. I got this from eBay and it was like 13 bucks, I think $14.50 or something shipped. Tower Hobbies has them, but they're out of stock, and I'm not sure if A-Man has them either. So if you guys are looking to get one, you can get it probably off of eBay until everybody else gets one in stock, or get it off of eBay. And this will also fit on the Sentin as well. So I'm going to test this out to see how this works, and then possibly put it on the Sentin as well. But I more or less needed it for this. And running off-road, I'll actually have to adjust it up to the highest point so that if I'm doing jumps and stuff, this is not constantly hitting, even if it's coming down, you know, on the rear part of the truck. But wanted to show this to you guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.